How to fix error code 773 on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now, without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open roblox.com in your device, or you can continue with the Roblox application as well. After that, you have to make sure that you're logged in with your Roblox account. Once you're logged in and you land on your home page, now if you encounter an error 773 in your Roblox, now what you have to do is from your home page, navigate at the top right corner, there you will find a settings icon. Click on that. From this drop down menu, go to settings. Now, once you land on your setting page, again, at your left hand side, there is a drop down box with bunch of menus. From there, click on privacy. Now, once you get to privacy page, here under account restriction, there is an option as account restrictions are disabled. So, here you have to make sure that this toggle is turned off. If you notice this toggle is turned on, then you have to turn off that toggle. If this setting is enabled, the account can only access the content that is appropriate for audience. So there might be some restrictions in your account. So make sure that this toggle is turned off. Now, if you scroll down a bit and if you have logged in your account with multiple devices, there you will get an option as log out from all sessions. So you have to log out your account from the other device. Now, if this doesn't work for you, then you have to reinstall the application in your mobile device and install the application back again and try to log in with your account. So that's how you can fix error code 773 on Roblox. That's all for today's video, and make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.